Hi everyone, I'm Deborah Maica Perez. I'm from Baguio City, and ang overall experience ko po sa Ugarte Cars is napakaganda ng service. Tapos yung unit na nakuha namin napaka-fresh, walang sira, walang kailangan ipaayos, and we are at peace talaga na maayos na nakuha namin unit. And talagang ako ay commend Ma'am Irish na nag-assist sa amin kasi napaka-professional, napaka-ayos, walang hassle. Natapos namin yung entire transaction within the day. And napakaganda. I would recommend this to other people as well. Dahil ni-recommend lang din kami dito ng kakilala namin. And dahil nga maganda raw yung experience niya, dito niya kami dinala. And ganun din ang nangyayari sa amin. Napakaganda ng experience. Walang issue. Paperwork. So okay, maayos lahat. So yun lang. Please do share this to your friends, your family. Napakaganda po ng units ng